Picture yourself approaching a home where the front porch doesn't just greet you, it can. The seamless blend of rich wooden beams and elegantly crafted wrought iron gates creates an entrance that whispers sophistication while shouting welcome. This is the magic of modern classic design, where traditional craftsmanship meets contemporary sensibilities, resulting in front porches and garden gates. There's something profoundly satisfying about the marriage of wood and metal, two materials that have anchored architectural beauty for centuries, now reimagined. These aren't merely functional entryways, they're daily reminders that beauty and practicality can coexist, that your home's exterior can be just as thoughtfully designed as its interior, and that first impressions truly do.
Before we delve into our exploration, allow us to extend a warm welcome back to Amica Studio. For those joining us for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for more captivating insights into home and interior design inspiration.
Modern classic front porch, wood and wrought iron steel garden gates for a timeless luxury. In this comprehensive guide, you'll discover how to transform your front porch and garden entrance into a statement of timeless luxury using the perfect combination of We'll explore 5 essential design categories that will elevate your entryway from ordinary to extraordinary, from selecting the ideal wrought iron gate styles that balance security with aesthetic appeal, to choosing complementary wood materials that add. You'll learn expert techniques for creating visual harmony between classic and modern elements, discover practical installation tips that ensure longevity and durability, and find inspiring ideas for accessorizing your porch with lighting, hardware. 1. Wrought iron gate masterpieces, combining security with sculpture. Classic scrollwork patterns that define elegant entrance. Wrought iron gates featuring traditional scrollwork remain the gold standard for creating timeless luxury entryways that These hand-forged designs showcase the artisan's craft through fluid curves, symmetrical spirals, and organic patterns that evoke European manor houses and The beauty of scrollwork lies in its ability to provide security without creating visual barriers. The decorative metalwork allows light and air to flow through while establishing clear boundaries and adding substantial. When selecting scrollwork gates for a modern classic aesthetic, look for designs that balance ornamental detail with clean lines. Too much decoration can feel overwhelming in contemporary settings, while too little Geometric iron gates for contemporary traditional fusion. For homeowners seeking that perfect modern classic balance, geometric wrought iron gates offer clean sophistication. These designs feature squared sections, linear patterns, and architectural precision that feel decidedly contemporary while maintaining the substantial, handcrafted. Geometric gates work exceptionally well when paired with wooden elements. Imagine vertical iron bars intersected by horizontal wood slats, creating a grid pattern. Consider incorporating small decorative elements at intersection points, subtle rosettes, hammered medallions, or forged details that catch the eye without disrupting. Custom ironwork solutions that reflect personal style. The ultimate luxury in front porch and garden gate. The ultimate luxury in front porch and garden gate. Working with skilled metal artisans allows you to incorporate personalized elements, family monograms elegantly woven into the design, nature motifs that reflect your garden's plantings, or architectural details. The process of creating custom ironwork typically begins with sketches or digital renderings, allowing you to visualize how your gate will interact with surrounding wooden porch elements and overall home architecture. Companies like Ironcraft and local blacksmith studios offer bespoke services where you can specify everything from iron thickness and finish texture to the exact place. Two, wood selection and integration, warming metal with natural. Choosing the right wood species for outdoor durability. The success of your modern classic front porch and garden gate combination depends heavily on selecting wood species that can withstand outdoor conditions while maintaining. Cedar stands out as an exceptional choice, offering natural rot resistance, beautiful grain patterns, and that distinctive aromatic quality that makes your entrance. For those seeking darker, more formal aesthetics, Brazilian walnut provides incredible density and durability, resisting moisture, insects, and warping while delivering deep chocolate brown coloring that creates Teak represents another premium option for luxury entryways, bringing golden brown tones and natural oils that protect against weather damage while aging to. Architectural wood applications that complement iron gates. Wood integration in modern classic front porch designs extends far beyond simple fence boards, offering diverse architectural applications that create visual. Consider substantial wood posts flanking your iron garden gate. These vertical elements, typically 6 by 6 or 8 by 8 inches, provide structural support while their heft adds. Horizontal wood beams spanning between posts or across iron gate tops create overhead frameworks perfect for climbing plants or integrated lighting, defining the entrance threshold while wood panel inserts within iron gate frameworks represent another beautiful integration technique. Alternating sections of decorative ironwork with solid or slatted wood panels provides privacy where needed while maintaining finishing techniques that protect and perfect. Proper wood finishing transforms good design into great longevity, ensuring your modern classic front porch and garden gate for natural wood tones that showcase grain patterns. Penetrating oil finishes like teak oil or tung oil nourish the wood from within, enhancing color depth while providing water resistance without creating semi-transparent stains offer middle ground solutions, allowing wood grain to show through while providing UV protection and moisture resistance in a range of colors from natural cedar. Consider classic combinations. White painted wood posts with black iron gates create timeless Hampton-style elegance, while dark stained wood with bronze-finished iron evoke (3) Design harmony, achieving modern classic balance in your proportion and scale secrets for cohesive composition. Creating a truly harmonious modern classic front porch and garden gate requires careful attention to proportion and scale relationship. Your iron gate should neither overwhelm nor underwhelm the entrance it defines. Generally, gates should measure between 4 to 6 feet tall for garden paths and 6 to 8 feet for primary driveway entrances. A useful design rule suggests wood post width should be approximately 1/10 of the gate width. A 48-inch gate pairs beautifully with 6-inch posts, creating proportion. When combining materials, maintain consistent visual weight throughout your design. Delicate iron scrollwork pairs with refined wood trim, while bold geometric ironwork demands color coordination strategies that unite wood and the color relationship between wood and wrought iron elements dramatically impacts whether your modern classic entryway feels cohesive. Classic combinations offer time-tested success. Black iron with natural cedar creates warm, dark bronze or oil-rubbed finishes with espresso-stained wood delivers rich, formal sophistication, and matte black iron with crisp white painted wood provides clean, traditional. Consider undertones carefully. Cool-toned metals, black, pewter gray, pair beautifully with woods showing gray or neutral undertones, while warm bronze or copper-finished iron complements woods with gold. For homeowners hesitant about permanent color commitments, remember that high-quality powder-coated iron can be professionally refinished if desired, and wood accepts new stains relatively easily. Style consistency from gate to front door. Achieving true design harmony requires extending your modern classic aesthetic from garden gate through front porch to your home's entrance door, creating a cohesive journey. Begin by identifying your dominant style influences. Are you drawn to craftsman simplicity, Victorian elegance, colonial formality, or contemporary minimalism? Then ensure material consistency matters too. Wood species used in porch construction should appear in gate elements, creating visual threads. Hardware finishes provide another opportunity for cohesion. Gate hinges, latches, and handles should match or complement front porch lighting fixtures, door hardware, and (4) Installation excellence. Building entryways that last generations. Professional versus DIY considerations for gate installation. The decision between professional installation and DIY approaches for your wrought iron and wood garden gate depends on multiple factors including complexity, tools available, skill level, and professional installation offers undeniable advantages. Experts bring specialized equipment for setting posts perfectly plumb and level, understand local building codes and permit requirements, and provide warranty. However, capable DIYers can successfully install standard-sized gates with proper planning and preparation. The most critical installation element is post setting. Regardless of who's doing the work, posts must be set deeply. Typically 1/3 of post height should be below ground. Foundation and structural support for heavy iron gate. Wrought iron gates, particularly larger or more ornate designs, demand substantial structural support to maintain proper operation and appearance. The foundation begins underground with properly sized and poured concrete footings. For gates up to 6 feet wide and 6 feet tall, minimum footing dimensions should be 12 inches diameter and 36 inches deep, increasing to 16 to 8. Wood posts anchoring iron gates require pressure-treated lumber rated for ground contact, typically marked as UC4B or higher, or better yet, posts should be set in concrete-filled steel sleeves that prevent post-to-gate connection points deserve special attention. Through bolts with washers distribute stress better than surface-mounted screws, and hinge placement should position weight-bearing hardware on solid wood rather than weather protection and long-term maintenance. Ensuring your modern classic front porch and garden gates remain beautiful for generations requires proactive weather protection and establishing realistic maintenance. For wrought iron elements, powder coat finishes provide superior protection compared to traditional paint, creating hard, durable surfaces resistant to chipping. Wood components need different attention. Annual cleaning with mild detergent followed by finish renewal keeps wood. Pay special attention to horizontal surfaces where water collects, post tops, gate frame rails, and porch floors, as these areas experience accelerated wear and require. Five. Finishing touches, accessories and details that complete. Statement lighting that enhances architecture and safety. Thoughtfully selected lighting transforms your modern classic front porch and garden gate from daytime beauty to nighttime enchantment while providing essential. For gates specifically, consider coach-style lanterns mounted on wood posts flanking the entrance. These fixtures combine vintage charm with modern LED efficiency, casting warm, welcoming light that highlights. Path lighting along walkways leading from gate to front porch creates safe passage while showcasing landscaping. Low-voltage LED systems offer easy installation, energy efficiency, and flexibility. For the front porch itself, ceiling-mounted fixtures should make bold statements. Consider oversized lanterns, elegant chandeliers designed for outdoor use, or modern drum shades in materials that bring. Hardware and accents that showcase quality craftsmanship. The devil truly lives in the details when creating luxury entryways, and hardware selections can elevate or undermine your entire. Gate latches and handles deserve particular attention. These are the elements you physically interact with daily, and their weight, finish, and operation. Consider decorative strap hinges that become visual features rather than hidden functional necessities. Hand-forged designs with hammered textures or scrolled ends add authentic period character. House numbers present opportunities for artistic expression. Hand-painted ceramic tiles in classic fonts, cut metal numerals that cast interesting shadows, or carved wood numbers that integrate into post-design all contribute to cohesive aesthetics. While wood and wrought iron provide your entrance's architectural bones, living plants and carefully chosen decorative accents add softness, color, and personality that For garden gates specifically, climbing vines trained onto iron scrollwork create romantic living tapestries. Choose classics like clematis for stunning flowers, evergreen climbing hydrangea for year-round coverage, or fragrant star jasmine. Flank your gate with symmetrical plantings in substantial containers, boxwood topiaries for formal elegance, ornamental grasses for modern movement, or seasonal flowers that you rotate through. For front porches, layer textiles that soften hard surfaces. Outdoor rugs in classic patterns define seating areas, weather-resistant cushions on benches add comfort and color, and all-weather curtains hung from porch ceilings create intimate zones within larger spaces. Conclusion. The marriage of wood and wrought iron in modern classic front porch and garden gate design. It's a commitment to creating entryways that honor traditional craftsmanship while embracing Throughout this journey, we've explored how carefully selected materials, thoughtful proportions, and quality installation techniques combine to produce entrances that genuinely deserve the These aren't fleeting trends that will date your home in 5 years, but rather enduring design principles that have created beautiful entrances for centuries and will continue. The wood brings warmth, organic beauty, and that tactile quality that makes spaces feel inviting, while wrought iron contributes strength, security, and sculptural artistry that elevates functional necessities into architectural statements. As you envision your own modern classic transformation, remember that the most successful entryways reflect their owners' personalities while respecting architectural. Start with one element that speaks to your heart, perhaps that perfect iron gate design. Or the rich wood species that would complement your home's existing character, and build. Allowing your vision to develop organically rather than forcing every decision. Whether you're undertaking complete renovation or strategic updates, each improvement contributes to the larger story your home tells about who you are. We invite you to share your own front porch and garden gate projects. What combinations of wood and iron are